Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Mac OS and Logic Pro are compatible and that drivers for your audio interface are installed. Once done, connect your interface, MIDI keyboard, and headphones so inputs appear immediately. Open Logic and choose New Project, right arrow Empty Project. This gives control over tracks. Set sample rate and buffer size early to avoid latency. These steps get your audio path and timing right so recording and monitoring work predictably when you begin. Next, add the tracks you need. Create audio tracks for microphones and instruments, and software instrument tracks for synths. Assign inputs and outputs deliberately so you know where sound flows. Turn on input monitoring, enable low latency mode if tracking, and adjust buffer size to balance CPU and latency. Set tempo and time signature to lock your grid, then drop markers for intro, verse, and chorus to navigate quickly. Doing this organizes signal flow and session structure, so editing stays focused. Now record using punch-in or cycle recording to capture multiple takes, and comp the best parts into a single take for a clean performance. Once recorded, perform essential edits. Trim regions, add fades, quantize MIDI if needed, and apply light EQ and compression to clarify parts. When satisfied, bounce the mix or export stems for mixing elsewhere, and save incremental versions while backing up the project folder. If audio glitches appear, check buffer, plug in CPU, and sample rate mismatches as a quick.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.